Well, here we are with the Holman travelling or tractor sprinkler. Got to say, it's perfect for my needs. I've got a very long 6 foot wide or 1.8 metre wide stretch, front and back. With normal sprinklers, you're shifting them forever. But this one, doesn't matter if it's low pressure here, it does the job, and it's very impressive. It's 42 degrees at the moment in Adelaide, South Australia, the driest state and the driest continent. So I'm just giving this little patch that's drying out here a bit of a drink. I've got it set on high speed. It's got a high gear, a low gear and a neutral. I bought one of these a couple of years ago from Bunnings and had to return it because the low pressure here didn't drive it, but they've improved the gearbox. Although it's apparently not spinning very quickly, it drives the tractor at a reasonable rate and waters the lawn perfectly. Doesn't matter about wind. It's actually a very good sprinkler, the Holman tractor sprinkler. Perfectly suited to this scenario. A long strip of lawn, set and forget. About 20 years ago I bought a Hardy Pope tractor sprinkler or travelling sprinkler. It worked well for almost 10 years. Then I bought another one, this one. They changed the design, the shape, the appearance. You still fill it with water, but it just doesn't work. The wheels spin around, it doesn't have traction, it can't pull the hose. I realise we have low pressure here, but do not buy a Pope travelling sprinkler from Bunnings or anywhere else. They are really, really bad. The old one was great, this one is rubbish. The Holman tractor sprinkler from Bunnings in Australia, I've got to say I recommend it. It's a thing of beauty, it works very well, way better than the inferior Pope tractor sprinkler. I think it's money well spent.